Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today we're making one of my favorite recipes from my cookbook, The Everyday Ketogenic Kitchen. We are making the butter pecan cookies. These are very decadent, they don't take any eggs, so they're a little more like shortbread, and they are absolutely delicious. All you need, some butter, and your sweetener of choice. I like to use Swerve, the granulated kind, and we're gonna beat them together. Okay, that looks nice and creamy, nicely well creamed together. So now we're gonna add some almond flour. A little bit of coconut flour just gives it slightly better texture. And some vanilla. And I usually put in about half a teaspoon salt. You can put less if you don't like it as salty, but I love the salt with the sweet. And we're gonna keep beating it together. Now we just stir in the pecans. This is about half a cup. They're chopped and roasted already. I buy them that way, but you could roast and chop your own. And you can see now, as I'm mixing it with the rubber spatula, you can see that it's starting to hold together a little better. And then all you do is simply roll them into balls and place them on your cookie sheet. So I use just a regular household spoon and I roll them into 1-inch balls. And this is gonna make about 30 cookies. So it's a good size. And you wanna give them a little bit of space because they are gonna spread a bit. So you want to leave about an inch, inch and a half. And there we go, they're ready for the oven. You put them in at a 325. Okay, these cookies aren't done yet. I've only had them in the oven for 5 minutes, but what I'm gonna do is squish them with a flat bottom glass. Low carb cookies don't like to spread and they need a little encouragement, and if I let them warm for 5 minutes in the oven, then they spread without cracking. And now you just put them back in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And now we've got these gorgeous cookies. You can see they're brown on the edges and they're a little soft right now, but they will firm up and crisp up as they cool. And these smell so good, I can't resist. I have to try a little bit right now. So perfect, buttery and delicious. You're gonna love them. For the full recipe, you can get it from my book, The Everyday Ketogenic Kitchen, or you can find it on my blog, All Day I Dream About Food. Thanks so much for watching.